Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to configure coupon codes. And what is a coupon code? Coupons codes are used with card price rules to apply a discount when a set of conditions is met. The customer can enter the coupon code in the cart. To create a specific coupon, follow the previous video to create a card price rule. On the general information page, set coupon to specific coupon. Enter a coupon code to be used with the promotion. To generate a batch of coupons, mark the Use Auto Generation checkbox. To limit the number of times the coupon can be used, complete the box Uses per coupon or Uses per customer. Expand the Manage Coupon Codes section. In the Coupons Quantity field, enter the number of coupons that you want to generate. Enter the code length and set the code format. Enter a code prefix or suffix is optional. They are used to associate the code with a specific campaign or initiative. When complete, tap Generate. Coming up next we will learn about the free shipping. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,